You know who it is. Myself, Mr. Animal, Volume 6, number 2 seed. I say again, number 2 seed. Watch the ride. Remember what I said? Cardiac killer run things, not bodybuilding. But I'm a bodybuilder as well. I'm about to say exactly how I get down. Hope you like it, all my YouTube fans. Follow me for about 3 years now. You're about to see exactly how I get down. This is my pattern.